Hello friends, welcome back. Here's one more TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1 preparation video, and this video will also be dedicated to coding section, and this is going to be part 4 for coding section. Part 1, 2 and 3 are already uploaded on this channel. You can check the playlist TCS Digital, and link will also be provided for all those videos in description. And the solution of this program will be available in top 3 preferred languages: Java, Python and C. Now problem statement. A jail has a number of prisoners and a number of treats to pass out to them. Their jailer decides the fairest way to divide the treats is to seat the prisoner around a circular table in sequentially numbered chair. A chair number will be drawn from a hat. Beginning with the prisoner in that chair, one candy will be handed to each prisoner sequentially around the table until all have been distributed. The jailer is playing a little joke though. The last piece of candy looks like all others, but it tastes awful. Determine the chair number occupied by the prisoner who will receive that candy. For example, let us assume there are 4 prisoners and 6 pieces of candy. The prisoners arrange themselves in seat numbered from 1 to 4. Let us suppose 2 are drawn from the hat. That is, number 2 is drawn from the hat. Prisoner receive candy at position 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Because we have to start from the number that is drawn from the hat and 2 is drawn from the hat, so we are starting here from number 2. Here we are starting from number 2 and there are 6 candies, so 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So the prisoner to be warned sits in the chair number 3. Now function description. Write a function save the prisoner. It should return an integer representing the chair number of the prisoner to be warned. Save the prisoner has the following parameters: n. It represents an integer, the number of prisoners. So n will be equal to the number of prisoners. M an integer, the number of seats. So number of seats will be equal to m. And now s an integer, the chair number to begin passing out sweet from. So we can say s will be the number that will be drawn from the hat, because the chair number to begin passing out sweet will be equal to the number that will be drawn from the hat. So now input format. The first line contains an integer t denoting the number of test cases. The next t lines each contain 3 space separated integers: n the number of prisoners, m the number of seats, s the chair number to start passing out treats at. Now output format. For each test case, print the chair number of the prisoner who receives a full treat on a new line. So here is the sample input: 2, 5 to 1, 5 to 2. And sample output will be 2 and 3 for these test cases. And now let us see the solution in Java language. And here's the solution in Java language. Now we are moving forward to the solution in Python language. But if you want the solution in Java language to understand it properly, then you can have a pause here. And here's the solution in Python language. Now it is the solution in C language, and here it is the continuation of the C language program. So the solution in C language starts from here and it continues till here. So don't be confused. And this was all in this video. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I request all of you to subscribe this channel TCS India. And link to follow us on Instagram will also be provided to you in description. You can follow us on Instagram also.